Michael Den Hartog here again from Florida Drone Supply, and I do have a quick tip for you. If you're having troubles getting your Avata to fly with the manual controller, the problem may be activation. I had a customer come in and they could not get the controller to fly the aircraft whatsoever, would not arm the quad. We went through and looked at it. It was kind of strange. You press the C1 button, the motors would chirp and so forth, so in case you lose it, you can find the aircraft. You could go through the modes, it would change from normal to sport. You could see all that stuff changing, so you knew the aircraft was binded to the controller, but it would not arm when you went down with both controllers. And just couldn't figure out what it was, so got a wild idea to go put it on the computer, plugged it into my PC with the Assistant 2 for consumer drones installed on the PC. Immediately it popped up and said, do you want to activate your controller? I clicked activate, went back out, hooked it to the aircraft, and immediately the aircraft took off. So make sure that the aircraft is activated and that the controller is activated. You can also activate it using the DJI Fly app if you have that connected to the goggles with the USB-C adapter or a USB-C direct to your device with the Fly app. Either way, Fly app should be able to activate it, and if you can't do that, jump on and use that DJI Assistant 2 software. Thank you. God bless. If you have any problems, give us a call, 855-8-DRONES.